Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Lexus RX 450h. First, make sure your smart key is inside the vehicle, either in your pocket or a cup holder. Next, firmly press down on the brake pedal with your right foot. This is a crucial step for hybrid vehicles. Then, locate the power button, usually found on the dashboard near the steering wheel. Press this button once to engage the system and prepare for driving. Once you press the power button, the vehicle systems will begin to activate. You'll notice the instrument panel light up, and a ready indicator will illuminate, typically in green. This signifies that the hybrid system is engaged and the car is ready to drive, even if the gasoline engine isn't running yet. The process is very quiet, so pay attention to the dashboard lights. With the ready light on, keep your foot on the brake pedal. Now, move the shift lever to the D position for drive. If your parking brake is engaged, remember to release it before attempting to move. Some models have an electronic parking brake that disengages automatically when you shift into drive and press the accelerator. You are now ready to begin your journey. For the best experience with your Lexus RX 450h, drive smoothly to maximize its excellent fuel efficiency. Regularly check your tire pressure, ideally once a month, to ensure safety and maintain optimal performance. Also, for those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below this video. Enjoy your drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.